add automation to your calendar. My name's Kim Sunshine, and I'm going to show you how to add automation to your calendar. Once you have your calendar set up, the next step that you want to do is go back, click on automation, create a workflow. We can choose a recipe because we do have recipes available. Since we're connecting our calendar for reminders for the people who are setting appointments with us, we want appointment confirmations, reminder, survey, plus review request. This is fantastic if after every appointment, you can ask for a review. In some situations, you will not be asking for a review because your first appointment is an initial consultation in order to close the sale. So you can choose which method you would like to use. I'm going to use appointment confirmation and reminder today to keep things simple. So I'm going to select that. Once you select, it's going to automatically open up for you. This will send reminders for all of your calendars. First goes out a confirmation email. It's going to come from your location name, which is the business name that you put into your Boostm8 account, the email address that you put in as your main email address, appointment confirmation. You want to add your company name here with, this is Website8. You could use a template, and right here, you can include your Zoom link in with all of your reminders. Now, this is an email reminder. If you choose to have it be a little fancier, you can do that by creating a template. But for simplicity's sake, we're just going to use what's already available here in our recipe. So this is going to go to your contact's first name. Your appointment has been confirmed for this date at this time and the time zone. You want to say your appointment has been confirmed with and add your name in there, Kim Sunshine at Website8.com, because they may not know exactly what that reminder's for, and we want to make sure that we give them as much information as possible. Let me know if you have any questions. In the meantime, when it's time, please use the Zoom link ID. This is a placeholder for a Zoom link. I have another video and I'll link it with this one if you need to know how to grab your Zoom link to add it into this calendar. And we also sign with our location name and the options to add to Google Calendar, Outlook, and that is for our prospects, clients, or the person who scheduled that appointment with us. So just save your action. You can also send yourself a test email. Now we're going to wait 24 hours before the appointment, and we're going to send another email. That email is pretty much going to say the same thing. Hi, just a friendly reminder that I like to say your appointment with Kim Sunshine is in 24 hours. And then again, the Zoom link, save that action. See, I love this recipe. So an hour reminder, it's going to send another email. And then 1 hour before is also going to send a text message in case they want to call you for that appointment or Zoom. So however you're doing your appointments, you want to set that up inside your calendar. Really easy to do. If it's going to be a phone call, we want to include the phone call number. If it's going to be a Zoom link, then we want to include that Zoom link. So it's that simple. That's how you set up the automation for your calendars.